Welcome. Today we're talking with Anna Krogh, the Vice President of Business Development at Dovenmuehle Mortgage, Inc., one of the largest mortgage subservicing companies in the United States. Anna, welcome, and thank you for joining us at Credit Union Digest.
Thank you so much for having me, Larry. I'm thrilled to be here.
Great. All right, well, let's get started. Anna, maybe you can start with an overview of DMI, what its services are, and how does it provide them?
Absolutely. So DMI is a mortgage subservicer. And for those who are not familiar with mortgage subservicing, it's when a lender or MSR owner work with another entity, for example, DMI, to perform the servicing or the daily, administrative duties that are required for a loan. In the case of DMI, we do everything on a private label basis. So what that means is we subservice for lenders under their name, under their branding, under their name. So there's that seamless experience for the member. Also, we work, just a little bit about us, we work with over 350 lenders across the nation, over 100 of which are credit unions. So we're very, very familiar in the space. And somewhat unique to DMI is we are 100% focused on subservicing. Subservicing is all we do. We're not a bank. We're not an MSR owner. We do not do any origination activities. So all of our efforts and initiatives are focused on our clients, the lenders, and their borrowers.
Great. Thank you, Anna. So how does DMI typically work with a credit union? How does that get set up? What's the day-to-day like, et cetera?
Absolutely. So a subservicer is a tier one vendor. So we have a really significant relationship and a significant piece of a credit union's mortgage operation, as you can imagine. So once a loan is originated and closed, it is boarded onto our core system, which becomes the system of record. And from there, we manage all the servicing of that loan throughout the life of the loan. So in a nutshell, that can include a lot, but just to touch on it, it includes payment collection and processing, monthly billing, anything that is member facing, such as member websites, member mobile apps, customer service, escrow management, arm management. In the case of investors, we do all the investor reporting, remittance, and reconciliation. We would handle all the collections, loss mitigation, default management, all the way through the life of the loan, from payoffs, satisfactions, and releases. So really, we have a very critical role to play as the subservicer.
Anna, thank you. That's really helpful. How does DMI connect to the credit union's technology stack?
Yeah, so we connect, I would say, in two primarily different ways, through the LOS as well as the core system. So as it relates to the LOS, newly originated loans are boarded directly from the credit union's LOS to our core system of record. So we build actually an interface between the LOS and our core, and that allows the process to be automated. So as I mentioned, our core becomes the core system of record. So a lot of our credit union clients, they will maintain a tracking record or a shadow record on their core, and DMI will provide daily files to help update this. So in the case of portfolio loans, we'll send a daily GL file, and then we'll also send a customer information file to allow that tracking or shadow record to be maintained on the credit union's core.
Good, good. Thank you, Anna. So what kind of benefits would a credit union expect from working with DMI on subservicing?
There's a multitude of different benefits that a credit union can expect. I would say that the key driver right now is definitely cost savings. With the interest rate environment that we have right now, we're seeing a lot of credit unions coming to us looking for ways to save on costs. And so working with a subservicer, depending on your portfolio, it might really be a good way to find a lift in that area. We've had a number of different clients come on board and, had a lot of good benefits when it comes to cost savings, and they've been able to redirect their servicing teams to other initiatives such as origination. Another very key area that we see a lot of people come to us is the regulatory and compliance requirements that are needed in mortgage subservicing. DMI has a multitude of compliance attorneys, and we have a lot of expertise in this area. We also have a very clean track record when it comes to regulatory compliance. And so our clients are able to leverage our expertise in this area. Because mortgage subservicing, you know, from the state level up to the CFPB, there's a lot of regulatory needs, and servicing a loan, you know, has a lot of complexities. I would say thirdly, a lot of our credit union clients see a huge lift with the member-facing technology. So we have proprietary technology. We have a team out in San Francisco that you know, develops proprietary technology that is member-facing websites and member-facing apps. And you know, again, everything is on a private label basis.
Right.
So everything is branded in the name of the credit union. And you know, our clients take advantage of that. They don't need to build that technology in-house or maintain it. We are able to do that on their behalf with that seamless integration that feels like it's an extension of the credit union as well.
Great, great. Thank you. Really, really impactful benefits there. So, Anna, thank you for spending time with Credit Union Digest and helping us to better understand DMI's subservicing capabilities to support a credit union servicing their loan portfolios, as well as the benefits that you just spoke of, the credit unions, as well as for their members, those benefits. So, Anna, again, thank you.
Thank you for having me again.
Great. Okay. In closing, thank you for joining Credit Union Digest. If you have additional questions for Anna, please see the link in her bio.